This technical tip is to discuss flow-dependent fittings and pipeline parameters in piping design. If we zoom into this pipeline here, you see that I've got a check valve, and the check valve indicates the direction of the flow. If I turn the flow direction on, you can see that the red arrow indicates the direction of the flow. If I reverse the flow direction, you'll see that the flow-dependent fitting, i.e. the check valve, does not currently reverse. To fix this, what we can do is we can select the fitting, select Tools, Parameters, and add a new parameter called flow_constrained. Set this parameter to be an integer and give it a value of 1. When we come back to piping design, reactivate the pipeline, show the flow direction, and now when we flip the flow direction, you'll see that the flow dependent fitting also reverses. Next tip I want to show you is on the pipe parameters. Now for this pipeline here, you'll see that if I select the pipe solid and choose open, under Tools, Parameters, you'll see that the pipe centerline parameters have been added to the pipe solid. So for example, for this pipe here, its currently size is set to be 50A schedule 40. If I change this design, select a reducer for example, and flip the reducer. When I select this pipe solid again, and choose open and go to parameters, you'll see that the size has changed from 50A to 100A. So this means every time the pipeline changes, the pipeline solid parameters are automatically updated. This concludes the technical tip on piping design.